Welcome back. Bar graphs are the gold standard for visually comparing the magnitudes of discrete categories. Unlike line or scatter plots, bar graphs plot categorical variables on the x-axis and their numerical values or frequency on the y-axis. We will use the plt.bar function to generate these plots. 1. Preparing categorical data. To plot categories, we need two things: the category names or labels for the x-axis and the numerical values for the height of the bars. Matplotlib's plt.bar requires numerical positions for the bars, so we use numpys, arrange, to create a simple sequence, x_pos, that corresponds to the number of categories. Two. Generating the bar plot. We call plt.bar, passing the numerical positions, x_pos, and the values. We use the width argument to control how much space each bar occupies. A value of 0.8 is standard. We also specify the color. At this point, the x-axis still shows the numerical positions 0, 1, 2, 3, not the category labels. 3. Labeling the x-axis. To display the actual category names, we use the plt.xticks function. This function takes two arguments. First, the positions where the ticks should appear, which is x_pos, and second, the corresponding categories, text to be placed at those positions. We then add a title and y-axis label before showing the final, correctly labeled graph. To summarize, bar graphs require careful handling of numerical positions and categorical labels. Our next lecture 37.08, histogram. See you there.